What is the mind-body problem? On one side, we have the body, the brain, neurons, chemicals, and electrical signals that can be measured, scanned, and studied. On the other side, we have the mind, our thoughts, emotions, memories, sensations, and sense of self. These mental experiences feel private, subjective, and deeply personal. The problem arises when we try to explain how these two very different things interact. One of the earliest and most famous responses comes from dualism, most strongly associated with the philosopher René Descartes. Dualism argues that the mind and the body are fundamentally different substances. The body is physical and follows the laws of nature, while the mind is non-physical and capable of thought and awareness. According to this view, the mind somehow influences the body, and the body influences the mind, but explaining how this interaction works has proven extremely difficult. Opposing this idea is physicalism, sometimes called materialism. Physicalists argue that everything about the mind can ultimately be explained in physical terms. Thoughts, emotions, and consciousness are not separate substances, but are products of brain activity. From this perspective, the mind is what the brain does. The challenge here is explaining subjective experience. Why does brain activity feel like something from the inside? This leads to one of the hardest aspects of the mind-body problem: consciousness. How do physical processes in the brain give rise to experiences like pain, love, or the color red? This question is often called the hard problem of consciousness, and many believe it remains unsolved. The mind-body problem is not just abstract philosophy. It affects neuroscience, psychology, artificial intelligence, and even medicine. How we understand the relationship between mind and body shapes how we treat mental illness, design intelligent machines, and define what it means to be human. In the end, the mind-body problem remains open. Whether the mind is separate from the body, fully physical, or something else entirely, one thing is clear: understanding this relationship is key to understanding ourselves.